Hey, I'm Sam at Triumph London, and we'll have a quick look at how to check your coolant on your bike. So every bike's different, but all bikes will have a reservoir, and this is a quick, simple way of checking what level your coolant's at and also what conditions it's in. So on the sides, there'll be markers to show you the low and high points. So what you're looking at is to see where the liquid is within those points. So as we can see on this one, we're sitting at the high point, which is fine, so it's not overfilled, and obviously it's not underfilled. This bike's got pink coolant in it, so that's the Triumph Oak coolant, and that's got a 5-year lifespan. So we're just looking to see that it's not too diluted down, so if it's been had water added to it or anything like that. If it's the green coolant that Triumph used to use, that's got a 3-year lifespan, so there's a good chance that it could need replacing. So yeah, we're just checking to make sure that it's not watered down and it's at the right level. As with checking your oil level, it's important to make sure the bike is upright, so you get an accurate reading. So once we've checked the level, if it was low, then you just take off the cap here and then put in your fresh coolant and then replace it again once you've topped it up. So that's doing your basic coolant check on your bike, but if you've got any questions or concerns or think your coolant might need changing, just give us a call and we'll get you booked in.